Friends, Pharma Life Academy, an academy for pharmacy and pharmacology, presents a tutorial video on antiviral drugs part 3. Friends, in the previous part of this video tutorial, we studied acyclovir as a prototype of anti-herpes virus drug. In this part, we are going to study important facts about other anti-herpes virus drugs such as famciclovir and penciclovir, ganciclovir and valganciclovir, cidofovir, foscarnet and adoxuridine. Facts about famciclovir and penciclovir. Famciclovir is the product of penciclovir. It is the diacetyl ester of penciclovir. Penciclovir is a guanine nucleoside analog. Friends, many anti-herpes virus drugs are either nucleoside or nucleotide. Keep in mind that nucleotides contain phosphate groups, whereas nucleosides don't have phosphate groups in their structures. Penciclovir and acyclovir have the same activity and potency against HSV and VZV. The mechanism of action of penciclovir is same as that of acyclovir. Thymidine kinase deficient acyclovir resistant herpes viruses are cross-resistant to penciclovir. Against the hepatitis B virus, penciclovir is effective, but acyclovir is not effective. Oral penciclovir has low valuability, less than 5%, but its prodrug famciclovir has high valuability, that is about 75%. Famciclovir, upon absorption, is rapidly converted to penciclovir by deacetylation of the side chain and oxidation of the purine ring. Side effects of famciclovir are headache, nausea, loose motions, itching, rashes, and mental confusion. Indications for famciclovir include genital herpes simplex, herpes zoster, and orolabial herpes. Next anti-herpes virus drugs is ganciclovir and its prodrug valganciclovir. Ganciclovir is an acyclic guanine nucleoside analog. Its structure is similar to that of acyclovir, except that it has an additional hydroxymethyl group on the acyclic side chain. Valganciclovir is the L-valyl ester product of ganciclovir. Food increases the bioavailability of valganciclovir. Ganciclovir is most effective against CMV in comparison with other herpes viruses. This is the most important characteristic of ganciclovir. Due to its greatest systemic toxicity, its use is restricted to prophylaxis and treatment of severe CMV infections. Ganciclovir inhibits viral DNA synthesis. It is monophosphorylated intracellularly by a viral thymidine kinase during HSV and VZV infection and by a viral protein kinase during CMV infection. Rest of the mechanism of action is same as that of acyclovir. CMV can develop ganciclovir resistance by one of two mechanisms. One, mutations in the viral protein kinase, and second, mutations in viral DNA polymerase. Adverse effects of ganciclovir and valganciclovir. The main adverse effect is myelosuppression, that is dose-limiting toxicity. Myelosuppression is a condition in which bone marrow activity is suppressed, resulting in fewer RBC, WBC and platelets. Next adverse effect is neutropenia and thrombocytopenia. Neutropenia is usually reversible within 1 week of stopping the drug. CNS side effects include headache, behavioral changes, convulsions, and coma. Oral valganciclovir can cause GI disturbances, that is nausea, pain, and diarrhea. IV ganciclovir can cause phlebitis, azotemia, anemia, rash, fever, liver function abnormalities, nausea, vomiting, and eosinophilia. Drug interactions of ganciclovir and valganciclovir. Probenecid and maybe acyclovir reduce renal clearance of ganciclovir. Risk of myelosuppression is increased with zidovudine and cytotoxic agents, that is anti-cancer drug. Zidovudine is an anti-HIV drug. Risk of nephrotoxicity is increased with other nephrotoxic agents. Now cidofovir. Cidofovir is a cytidine nucleoside analog. Being a nucleotide, it has a phosphate group in its structure. It is effective against human herpes, papilloma, polyoma, pox and adenoviruses. Cidofovir is a monophosphate and is further phosphorylated to active diphosphate by cellular kinases. It does not require virus-specific kinase, so it is capable of inhibiting acyclovir-resistant thymidine kinase deficient or thymidine kinase altered HSV or VZV strains. Also, it is effective against ganciclovir-resistant CMV strains but not effective against CMV strains with DNA polymerase mutations. Cidofovir synergistically inhibits CMV replication in combination with ganciclovir or foscarnet. Cidofovir has very low oral bioavailability. It is administered by infusion with pre and post dose oral probenecid. Why probenecid? Because probenecid inhibits its tubular secretion, improves its intracellular availability and also reduces its nephrotoxicity. Therapeutic uses of cidofovir. Cidofovir is used to treat CMV retinitis in HIV infected patients and acyclovir resistant mucocutaneous herpes simplex in immunosuppressed patients. It can be applied topically on anogenital warts. Adverse effects of cidofovir: dose-related nephrotoxicity, gastric disturbances, hypersensitivity, neutropenia, and uveitis. Now, foscarnet. Foscarnet is a simple straight chain phosphonate. It is not related to any nucleic acid precursor. It inhibits viral DNA polymerase and reverse transcriptase. It is effective against H. simplex and other herpes group viruses, CMV and HIV. Its oral bioavailability is poor. It is administered by IV route. Toxicity of foscarnet is high. It is nephrotoxic. It can cause anemia, phlebitis, tremor, convulsions and other neurological as well as constitutional symptoms. Constitutional symptom is a group of symptoms that can affect many different systems of the body. Examples include weight loss, fevers, headache, fevers of unknown origin, chronic pain, fatigue, dyspnea and malaise. Therapeutic uses: it is used to treat CMV retinitis and other CMV infections in AIDS patients, acyclovir resistant mucocutaneous H. simplex type 2 and varicella zoster infections in HIV infected patients. Now, idozuridine. Idozuridine is a 5-iodo-2-deoxyuridine. It is a thymidine analog, so it competes with thymidine, gets incorporated in DNA to form faulty DNA which breaks down easily. It is used topically to treat herpes simplex keratitis. Idozuridine eye drops act faster than acyclovir eye ointment but causes ocular irritation. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this video tutorial. Please share your suggestions to make the next tutorial video more effective and interesting. Thank you very much.